peoples are eagerly join Java Selenium, right?
Mm.
So how ETL will help us to grow in career growth?
Yeah, definitely. So Java Selenium, if you'll inquire to the course who is providing course and all, it will be like, 4 5 month duration they will take to complete it. At least three months to they will take to complete the complete session, because the syllabus is very huge. Okay, and if you'll ask anyone who is working on Java, no, so it's not easy to crack interview based on the Java. They are taking one year to crack interviews. Like so many of my friends, they are working in a Java, so they have to write code like programming, Java programming in front of laptop, and that also online only. So there will be like no backend and no it will be very complex. You have to execute and you have to show the output. But in ETL testing, what will happen? Course will be over in a 45 days, 6 weeks of time. Okay, learning wise it's very easy, because like SQL is very easy. Okay, and the quite when you attend the interview also, that time what will happen? Your interview, they will ask you the SQL queries. Mostly 70% it depends on the SQL queries only. They will ask you in SQL queries. If your SQL query is 70 80% correct also, if you are able to tell the concept like we can use like this, and then we'll get the answer, they will be able to they will consider your answer as a correct only. Okay, so
Okay.
100%.
So
Hmm.
in most of the nowadays in the most of the company they are moving to automation, right? How will ETL will help us?
If you'll see in a market, no, like no companies are moving for the automation, like not fully. They cannot move complete ETL testing into automation. The manual part, how it was manual testing and all previously. People used to write 500 test case, 1,000 test case for the manual testing. Nowadays, they are making manual testing as a automation testing. Okay, they
Okay.
are making as a manual testing as a automation testing, but ETL testing is a data related thing. Okay, you have to execute data and you have to validate data from the multiple layers. Okay, multiple layers you have to validate the data. So in that way, it is not possible to automate completely. They need a manual thing only, and moreover, like it's a database, like whatever the data you are generating, online data, banking data, or retail, if you are going to purchase anything. So if you are generating any type of data, no, so it will, it has to be validated. It has to be validated. So if your data is not validated, so it cannot be processed, because company is investing millions or billions of dollars to validate their data, online data, whatever the data it is. Consider that if you go to the bank, if you do any swiping or any transaction in the bank, you are generating data, and a company want to keep those all history of the data in their database or in some places, so that in future after 10 years also, if they will try to find to this year bank statement for you, they will be able to generate. For that they are investing lots of money. And this is very very important, because nowadays the data generation is very huge. After COVID time, people are using all online shopping app and all everything, correct? So it will never die, and the scope will be never go. Nowadays, the cloud also coming into ETL testing, wherever like previously the data was getting stored into the physical like database, normal database. Now they are moving completely. Data they are moving to the cloud. So in that way, it will be very very it will be very very important. And if you'll see in the market, automation now less requirement. People are calling me for many things. I have learned automation 6 months. I have invested, but I'm not getting call. If I'm getting call, also I'm not able to crack interview. Can you please help me? Can you please refer me in some of the company like that? People are requesting. So this is the difference between you know the automation testing, ETL testing. Anyway, I'll be explaining complete thing. If you want job, IT job faster, you have to you must do this one, and you will it will be easy for to get the job, and it's like so many openings are there, as well as easy to learn, easy to crack interview, and easy to survive in a company. Any of the skills, if you'll go with the Java related things, it will be very complex. Surviving also it will be problem, because you have to write the coding and all. So if you'll ask anyone who is working in a Java, no, so you will feel the pain. It's not so easy. Yeah, next question. Anyone else want to ask any other question?
Yeah, Jay, I'm Sharath here.
Yeah, Sarat.
I actually, the thing is, I'm from the different background as of now. I'm working in a different field, so I wanted to move to this side. So
Hmm.
will this helpful for me?
So what is your education background?
I did my BTech and MBA in finance. So,
BTech,
yeah,
BTech and
BTech is
MBA.
yeah.
BTech which year?
It's a long back. I have a lot of experience in finance.
That is fine, but BTech people, they are getting like last month only we one lady was there, so 2006 pass out. 2006 pass out, BTech pass out. She got 3 offer letter.
Okay, mine is 2012
Total
BTech.
12 years of gap.
Sir, the 2006 passed out lady, she has put how many years experience in ETL testing?
5 years.
May I know?
5 years.
Okay, mine is 2012 passed out.
Then it's everyone is get like 2012 to so early only. So 5 or 6 years will show, and remaining you can show as a finance one, and will get the job. 2006
Okay,
they are getting job. Then why can't you?
Sir, I am
yeah.
2018 passed out. So currently I'm working as a manual tester.
Hmm.
So I want to switch into ETL testing.
Yes, yes. And for manual
So
testing, it's very nice opportunity to join ETL testing, because manual testing you will be not doing any technical kind of things much.
yes,
So ETL testing, it will help you to get job with a good package. One person was there, so he was having 14 years of experience, senior than me. Okay, so last month only he also got the job. So he called me in the starting of the session that will you able to provide me the job? I told definitely you join here. I will do something for you, and you will get job for 100% sure. So he joined. He completed 45 days training. He got 3 offer letter. So he for 14 years of experience, he was getting 13 LPA. Now he got as a 26, 24, and 23. First
uh,
23, then 24, then 26.
but as a manual tester, as you know, I don't have coding knowledge also.
I'll
So,
teach you for this 45 days what is required to get you a job in ETL testing.
so is there any coding is required for this in ETL testing to learn?
Coding, only select a statement is required. Select queries, SQL knowledge. I'll teach you completely that.
Okay.
12 sessions for will be for the SQL only, because SQL is
So ETL
important.
testing is total majorly focusing on SQL and we need to write queries, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Hi, Jayan. Good morning. This side Sweetie here.
Yes, sweetie. Tell me.
Yeah, so I have done my BSc in Tourism and Hospitality Management, and I'm having almost 11-year experience in retail.
Mm,
So right now I'm working as a assistant clinic manager there. So
mm.
like how it is gonna to help because it's
You
completely
have done BSc, correct?
yeah BSc in Tourism and Hospitality Management.
But like I spoke to your husband also, like he also did the same, correct? And he's working in IT company.
Correct.
Yeah, so you have a good example with you only.
Yes. So that's what actually planning since long to switch, but yeah.
So you have to give
So
100%, definitely you will get it.
sure. Thank you.
Okay, any other questions? So that like
Even same is the thing with me, sir. My name is Rohan. Hello.
Yeah, Ron, what do you want?
Sir, actually, I'm 2013 pass out. I have completed my BTech in
Mhm.
computer,
Yes.
but at the moment I'm working in non-technical job. So, will it going to help me?
Education background, what do you told?
BTech in computer.
BTech in computer, then it's fine. No, like in 2012, 2011, you'll get 100% job.
Will get right, sir?
Definitely, definitely. 2006 people, they are getting job. Then why can't you? One person,
Yes.
one lady was there from North India, and she was for like 97 pass out BCom. Okay, so like her financial, her family problem was so much, and like they were having two kids, and she joined here. Like she was worried that we'll get it or not. I told like see 97 is too early, but a thing is that it's better try, correct, without saying no. If we'll try, then we can say that we got it or something. Like IT is having lots of requirement and all. So she joined here, she completed 45 days training, and the moment she completed, no, she put lots of effort. Really, like if I'll get a student, everyone like that, like her, then I'll not face any problem to place anyone. And she completed, and after completion of 1 week of time only, she got a job. Okay, the package she got little less, 6 lakhs per annum only, but she got IT job. She told like the company was also small. I told if you want you can try some other company, but she told like I need job urgently, so it is fine for me. Let me work here 6 months, and then after 6 months I'll jump to other places. So she's working fine past 3 years, 3 months, so 3 or 4 months, so like that. So 97 people they are getting IT job. Then for you it's a very good example. For 2010 people pass out, people 11, 5, 15, all the people. So 5 years, 6 years of experience we have to show, but we'll get the job. So nowadays TCS contact to hire and TCS company, all these things are getting difficult. But the thing is that team is there, so they will help you to get it done. Okay, people are there who will help you to get it done. Yeah, guys. So let me start the session for the ETL testing. Okay, and hold your question. We will discuss in last.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me, Sima.
Hello, sir. After putting face experience, can we survive easily in industry?
Sorry, come again.
After putting this face experience, so can we survive easily in industry?
That's what we are going to give you this one, no? The 45 days training to survive. Okay, let me start the session and then we'll discuss in the end your question and answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let me introduce myself, and then many people will. So many of people spoke to me earlier, but I feel like some of them have spoken to Bisal or directly you have joined. So myself, Jayant Kumar, full name is Jayant Kumar, short name is Jay. Okay, you can call me Jay. Okay, and I have total 11 years of experience in ETL testing. So I have worked on ETL testing project only mainly. Okay, sometimes it will be manual testing kind of thing, but it was related to ETL only. So complete my experience into ETL testing only. Okay, so I worked for the many companies like IBM, Deloitte. I worked for Dell Technologies, and currently I'm working with one of the big MNC. The company name I'll be not sharing it. Okay, it will be hidden. Okay, and so this is about me. If you'll have any question, if you want to know more, you can call me. We'll discuss on that part. Okay. So I got trained for the data science also. I got training for the GCP only, but the comfort what I am getting here in ETL testing, I was not confident on other things, so I did not move my career from ETL testing. But now I'm getting good package in ETL testing, so I don't feel that, because now I'm working on the ETL testing using cloud projects. So in the future it is good for ETL testing, so I'll not move from here. I'll be in this only. Okay. So this is what this is regarding me. Coming back to the what is ETL testing. Many people ask me what is ETL testing. Okay, so ETL testing mean like it's a software testing only, and you can say that it's kind of manual testing only. But in manual testing, you'll be using the like manual things you'll do. You'll create the 500, 1000 test case, and manually you will check all the component in the web page and all. But in ETL testing, we don't do manually all these things. But like we used to write query. Okay, we used to write queries, SQL queries to validate source data as well as target data. What it means by source data and target data, if you are going to a bank, okay, consider that you are going to HDFC Bank and you have done transaction, you have withdraw 5,000 rupees. So that you have generated the data, okay. Or like in the, if HDFC Bank, if we'll take, if consider that they have all over India, approximately 5,000 branches is there or ATM is there. So every day millions of data is generating through those all stores. Okay, so they have to process in somewhere. They have to process in some other somewhere, like where they can keep their data properly. Whatever the raw data is coming, no, from the transaction stores or like ATMs and all, that will be processed according to the business. According to the business. So what they will do, they will convert those data into the proper business format or structured format, and they will store in one layer, one final database where your data will be saved permanently. And in future also, if 20 years later also they want to see today's data, they'll be able to see today's data. So this is the use of your SQL or database, and for that only we have to validate when the data will move from the raw data and it will be processed to the different layer, and it will be stored to the target database. It's supposed to, like it went through the multiple of changes. Those changes we have to validate as part of ETL testing. Okay, as part of ETL testing, how will we validating those things? We'll be writing the query based on the source database as well as the target database, and we'll be validating those data, and we'll make sure that whatever the data is processing and it's going to store in a target database, it should be perfectly fine. Okay, if your data is not a proper in your target database, maybe whatever the report they are generating, business people, they'll be not able to get the proper data in their output. Like consider that one retail shop is there. They are selling all grocery item or the clothes and all. We consider Big Bazaar. I hope everyone know Big Bazaar. This what is that retail shop who like sell everything, your electronics product, your grocery item, your household item, your clothes. Okay, everything they sell. So what consider that if 1,000 branches are there in all over India for Big Bazaar, and they are generating millions of data. It will pass through the multiple layers and it will be stored in a target database. Okay, target database, from where business people means your head of the company, they will generate the report to see the business, how the business is doing, like this month, how much sale happened, how much profit we have, how which are the stores doing good, which are the city they are doing good, the sales is happening more in which are the city. All this thing will happen. They will be able to see the report if they will store the data. They will compare year by year data, like 2015 how many sales, 2016 how much sales, now this year how much sales, how much we progress in 5 7 years. All these details they'll be able to generate through the data, whatever that will be stored into the target database. Okay, so that whatever the report they will generate, it will help them to take the decision whether we have to open multiple stores, or one store, one city is having only 5 stores, and the load is more there, supply like demand is more there. So can we open 3 4 more stores in that same city? So those are the business decision they will be able to take if they will store their data into the database. If they will not store their data in a database, then they will not able to take decision, because day by day, based on the day's transaction, you cannot take decision. You need at least 1 year of data to take decision if anything is there, or we any improvement will be there, or we are getting lots of profit, all these things. Because today, consider if it's a Diwali season, the sale will happen more, but tomorrow again it will go dry. So one day data, based on one day data, they will be not able to take the decision. It's a year by year they have to generate report, and they will get the business idea what to do and what not to do. So in that case only ETL testing is very important. Companies are investing millions of billions of dollars, and even though if you take any of the company, like take IBM company, IBM will have 100 project for ETL testing. Only for ETL testing they will have 100 project from the different companies. So think that how each and every company who is having 100 stores globally, or 100 stores in India and all, they have to go for the ETL testing. They have to store the data. They have to store the data. Okay. So this is what ETL testing. Why we need ETL testing? Why we need ETL testing? Because nowadays after COVID, data generations are very huge. Online data generation. So data, whatever the data it's generating through the online apps and all, there are so many new app open, and then people are buying for the one vegetable also through the online, so online only. So you are whenever you are generating, whenever you are shopping online and all, you are generating data. So your data should be saved somewhere. Okay. If you're buying some product on a Flipkart or Amazon or any other online portal, you are generating data. So if after 6 months also, if the company want to see your data, or if you want to see the data, you will be able to see those data. Correct. So these are the things are there. In that way only ETL testing will be required. If you go in outside, and if you'll buy your vegetable from the roadside, you are not generating data. But if you are doing online shopping, you are generating data, and those data has to be processed, and it will be stored in a somewhere with proper validation. Those validations ETL testing will do. Nowadays, previously, before 1 year or 1 year back, the data was storing into the normal database only. It was 3 4 layer normal database only. But nowadays they are moving to the cloud. The final data, whatever the final data they have, no, they are storing into the cloud. So once you'll get, even though like completely it not happened, only 10% 20% project only they are moving data for the cloud, because it's costly to move all the data to the cloud. But slowly everyone will do. Now when the cloud will come in picture into the ETL testing, definitely you will have so much of demand for ETL testers, and with the good package, without asking only they are giving hikes and all. And nowadays, previously like 1 year back, people were not getting 28 lakhs 30 lakhs package in ETL testing. But now for the 11 years of experience, they got 28 30 lakhs of package. So because of this technology, people are paying more, jobs are more. Okay, jobs are more. They have to secure their data, and they have to keep their data properly. So that's what they are investing lots of money. And it's very easy. It's very easy. ETL testing is very easy. No problem. You will be able to learn. You will be able to crack the interview. You will be able to survive in the industry. So this is why we need ETL testing. The scope is very good. Okay, for the scope purpose, the scope is very good because the cloud came into picture. And now company are investing a lot. Openings are more. Last month we got 19 people got job from our like institute, our this online classes from the previous classes. Okay, so I have called for the like a question and answer also, but like people are, it seems to be Monday, so they'll be busy. Let me see if they have joined or not. But definitely next session when we will take, we'll call them multiple people, and then you will get motivated, because that is needed. If you'll not have a proper idea what you are going to do, it will be difficult to proceed further. So in next session, we'll call someone, and they will explain you how they have prepared, how ETL testing course is helped him to crack interview, how much effort they put, all these things. Okay. So I'll call them, or like we have previous videos also, I'll share with you those things. Okay. uh, Coming back to the ETL testing course syllabus, we have okay, just give me 1 second. Okay guys, so your ETL testing online classes, whatever is there. So we are going to cover, these are the syllabus. This is the agenda for complete ETL testing. Okay. We are going to discuss first basic SQLs to complex SQL. Okay, then we are going to learn data warehouse, that DWH concept. Then we'll see Informatica tool overview with all the transformation logic. This part is very important. This part is very important, as well as data warehouse, all or other part also important, but Informatica tool part is very important. Here only I'll show you what you are going to do as a part of ETL testing. This part you can learn anywhere. This part also somehow you can learn, but Informatica part, what I have prepared my document, no, I'll tell you with the real-time scenarios, with all these things, and this will tell you as a ETL tester what you are going to do. So when if you join the course, please don't miss the classes. Okay, please don't miss the classes for Informatica. It will be 4-5 sessions, and it will be very, very informative. Okay, ALM tool will see for the test management. When if you create the test case, and somewhere we have to store that, and for the you have to execute those test case also. So ALM tool, I'll explain you completely. Basic Unix command, whatever the required for the ETL testing. We'll not discuss this, because in the interview they will not ask much on this. Some of the interview they will ask, but we'll share you the basic Unix command, that is more than sufficient if you'll go for it. Okay. So not required for the explanation. We'll not waste on time. Immediately we'll start our jobs. Okay, basic manual testing, whatever the concept are required for the ETL testing, we'll discuss that. Agile methodology is required, because in the like people with the non-technical background, so they will not know that how the software in software people are working. So those process I'll explain you, so that when you'll join any organization, you will be not in a blank. What is going on? What meeting is this? All these things nowadays people are following, like not nowadays, from past 5, 6, 7 years, people are following agile methodology only. We have different other methodology also, but agile methodology is very successful because of their meeting and all. The way they have designed agile methodology, it's very 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 informative and very helpful to develop a software. Hmm. Okay, the project explanation, I'll explain two projects. Okay, mainly retail domain projects, so that you'll get proper idea and you'll be able to explain those into the interviews. Okay, important in ETL interview questions answer, will go for it. Resume building assistance, once you'll give me mock interviews, two times, 3 times. If I'll feel that you are prepared and you are ready for the you are ready for the interviews, will prepare, will I'll share you some of the resume, and some of the resume, and you'll prepare your resume. I'll check that resume how you have done it. Okay, and then if any modification will be there, we'll modify, and then you will be able to get the you will able to upload into the Naukri profile, and we'll check your Naukri profile also, how you have updated the thing, whatever the required things are there, missing part will be there in a Naukri profile so that you get the proper call. We'll do it. No need to worry. So once you'll give me the mock interviews, if I'll feel that you are prepared, we'll help you with all this resume. So all this resume, okay. So I have prepared for the best practices so that I'll share you the access for all these things. We have your document and the videos will be stored here. So I'll explain that part later. Okay. Course syllabus. So this is the course syllabus. If you go to the complete course syllabus, we have job assistance also. I have many contacts for HR, like approximately 200 companies. HR details is there. End of the course, once you will be ready to attend the interview, we'll share you all the contact details, and you will be dropping a resume to them. Okay, so like this, we are going to help. Detail level, if we go for the data warehouse concept, these are the topics what we are going to cover as a part of the data warehouse. If you'll see here, OLTP, OLAP, okay, data mart, all these things are new. It will be new for you because I feel like you have not come across of this thing. But don't worry, these are all theoretical part, and the way I'll explain you, you will not have any questions on this. Okay. So no worries. So these are all in data warehouse concept. These are all data warehouse concept like a star schema, snowflake schema, dimensions table, fact table, normalization, denormalization, ER modeling techniques. Okay. Other things are also there. I'm not updated it. Okay. So these are all data warehouse concept. What we are going to learn. These are all theoretical part. There is no coding for this. But the coding or like the query part will start from here. This is very important. Your SQL is very important. Fully ETL testing interview will depend on SQL only. So for that only, I have prepared very nice document, which will help you to get you a job. Like if you see no Oracle SQL docs, okay. So full course content, if you'll see here, full course content is having 87 pages, 87 pages. Okay, so it's not a small thing. Okay, we are going to focus much on SQL part so that you get your job easily. Okay, and one more thing I wanted to add. If you see here, this is the Google Drive. Okay, Google Drive, and I have lots of storage. I bought extra storage for this, and your class recording and class document will be here only. Like all the sessions, whatever the sessions we are going to complete, that will be stored in this only, and I'll be providing you access for that. I'll be providing you access for that. When you'll do practice, if you'll get confusion, you can refer those things and you can do practice. Or some of the time, if you'll if you are not able to attend the classes, you can refer it and you can do it. And many people, we provide two types of course. Okay, we provide two types of course. Like if you see, one will be your regular batch. Okay, a regular batch. One will be your regular batch, another will be your fast track course. Okay, fast track course. So what will happen in a fast track? No, people who are not working somewhere, okay, with a gap of 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, and you don't have any job here. Okay, you don't have any job here, you don't have any job, you are not working any places. So what you will do, you will take all this recording with you, and you will start preparing from here only. Listen the recording, complete it fast. Okay, complete it fast. Guys, please turn off your video. The video is not required. Okay, so you will prepare from here, and the document is here. So once you'll complete full syllabus, you'll give the mock to me. I'll take mock, and then I'll take the mock, and then we'll prepare your resume, and we'll go for the Naukri. So you'll be able to complete in 15 days only, full syllabus, all syllabus. You will be able to complete in 15 days only, and success rate are also more for the fast track people, because you will full day, you will be free, you will be able to give 6 hours, 8 hours per day. You will be able to complete in 15 days. Energy will be more for 15 days, and you will be attending the regular classes also. Both access you will have for who is going for fast track and the regular classes. So who are free, you will be attending the regular classes also, you will be attending the fast track also. People are getting so much of job for the fast track also, as well as the regular classes also. All recording and the document are there. All recording and the document are there. So you will not you will not struggle for all these things. If you will go for the school, so school we have approximately 13 sessions are there. So any of the sessions you will have complete explanation. Okay, and if you will see the document what I have provided, it is like, you know, theory. I'll be providing you the theory, as well as your query for the practice purpose. All these queries will be providing you for the query purpose. This is theory for the topic wise, and then query for the same. Query for the same. Whatever it is, will provide you the theory and the query for the same, so that you don't have to dependent on anything. If you prepare 100% of syllabus of mine only, 100% job is guaranteed. You will get 100% sure job. So there is no lie, there is no cheating. If you will prepare 100% of syllabus here, whatever I am going to prepare, if you follow my instruction, 100% you have job. People are saying, based on their comment only, I'm saying that I'm not lying anything. Whatever I prepared based on my experience, 11 years of experience, I googled it out for 6 months, and then I prepared all these documents, so which are going to help you a lot. Okay, so you don't have to worry all these things. Theory part, will be covering the theory part, and then we'll be providing you the queries also for the practice purpose only. For the practice purpose only, we'll be providing. So if you'll consider one topic, you have 10, 11 queries I have given. Topic, we have given 11, 12 queries, 10 queries, so that you will have enough number of queries. Once you will be prepared completely, if you want to to Google it out, anything you can go, but first prepare 100% syllabus. Initially only don't go for the Google, you will lost. Okay, you will lost, because I restrict my course content for ETL testing only. It's not for the development and all. If you'll go and if you'll check online, you will get development things. You will get the database engineer, that or database house architecture level of information. There you will lost your focus, or there you will find that too much of things are there. But whatever the content I have provided, that is more than sufficient. So we have two types of things. Regular class, you can attend regular classes also. Parallelly, if you want to prepare faster, you can go for the fast track also. Many people after the class, they will say that please provide me the access for the fast track. We'll provide you the fast track access also. Whatever the recording before earlier classes recording will be there, you can start preparing from today itself. Today itself you can start preparing all these things. Okay, the installation part, I'll help you all these things, or software installation part, as well as the interview questions are also there. So many interview questions are there, how they have asked in the interviews and all. Everything we have prepared nicely. Okay, so no, you no need to worry. All the interview questions, complex level scenario based question, complete syllabus, I mean to say, for the ETL testing, you don't have to look into the Google. If you focus here, manual testing, your project explanation, as well as your data warehouse, ALM, Agile, your sample resume. If you'll go to the Informatica, you will have test cases, how to create test cases, all these things. Okay, so you don't have to depend on anything. Test strategy, test summary, test cases, Unix basis, sample resume. Once we'll complete the course, you will have access for all. You don't have to depend on anything for from others, or you don't have to ping me again and again. Everything I'll upload it here. So this is what our funda for the courses. Okay, many people, they join from the different institute. Okay, to understand my success rate, to understand the what I am providing, how I am providing all these things. Each and every batch we will have 1 or 2 persons who will join from other different institute, and they will try to disturb my classes. But till now the classes are going good, because people, they are like that. Okay, so you will be attending regular classes, and you will take access for the previous class recording, and you will start preparing your preparation in from today only, and another 15 days you will be completing it. You'll go give the mock. If you'll have any doubt, you'll ask to me while preparing. We'll discuss on that, and I'll make sure that you understand that. Okay. So this is what we have the syllabus, but we have not discussed full syllabus. So this is the basic SQL. Okay, SQL, DDL, DML, TCL, DCL. General functions we are going to cover more. 3 classes for this only, because it's very important for the when you will be working in a project, as well as for the interview perspective. Okay. Data aggregation function, analytical functions, integrity constraint, table join, set operator, subqueries, what is views, how to create backup table, case statement, important SQL questions, all these things for the SQL. So SQL will take approximately 11 or 12 sessions. Okay, out of all these things, you will not get that much of level of explanation anywhere else. And not only for ETL testing, SQL is required. Wherever you worked, SQL is very important. If people are working in Java also, somehow they'll be using SQL also. They will have knowledge of SQL also. I have seen many of friends, they are working on Java, but they are working on SQL also sometimes. So SQL knowledge is a must. Whatever the technology you go, it's up to you. But learn SQL very nicely. It will be, it will be very good for your future. Okay, it will be very good for your future. And based on the SQL based technology, getting job is very easy compared to other things. If you'll go in our automation, it will take you 4 or 5 months or 6 months of time. In 6 months of time, your patience only will go off, and another 6 months to get you a job, because Java is not so easy. Okay, it's very difficult. Informatica tool overview for ETL testing. So Informatica tool is very important. In this only, I'm going to show you what you are going to do as part of ETL testing, how you are going to create test cases, how you are going to validate data, source data, target data. If any mismatch is there, how you are going to do it. If your jobs fail, then how you are able to rectify those. All these things, how you are going to validate source and target, how it will be related to your project, what are the different types of environments will be there, which environment you will have access. All these things I'm going to explain in this Informatica tool only. Very important for the ETL testing, this one. Okay. Manual testing topics. These are the manual testing topics. If you'll go for the manual testing real-time explanation, no, it will take me a 2 month time to complete manual testing itself, the topics. But we have a limited scope for the manual testing. Like these are the topics are only required for the manual testing. Your 100% question will be asked from the this only for the manual testing. So whatever the important things are there, I've drafted in the document. You don't have to struggle for any other things. Okay. Agile methodology, all these things will learn agile methodology, and all are the for the project related things. Okay. ALM will see that how we are going to upload test cases, how we are going to create test case, how we are going to raise defect, how we are going to pass the test case, fail the test case, all these things. Your resume preparation end of the course, after taking the mock. After taking the mock, we will see that how much you have prepared. Will not allow you to go for the simply go and attend the interview, because if you are not prepared 100%, and if you are going to for the interview, you will not able to attend, you will not able to crack the interview if you'll like if you'll attend 100 interviews also. So for mock, whatever the drawback will be there, I'll be removing it, those drawback in mock, and will help you to get job as soon as possible within 145 days for regular people, 1 month for the fast track people. Okay. 2 months for the regular people, you can say. 1 month for the fast track people, you will get the job. You will get the job. Fast track 1 month, within month you will get the job. Regular people, you who is working in a company or not, 2 month time you can take, and in that time you will get 100% guaranteed job, you will get it. Okay. So this is Python topics. If time permits, then we'll go. Otherwise, we'll share you the link where you can refer the basic of it. Not required much. Okay, not required much. This is for the general purpose. Nowadays, it's a fashion for the Python. So, but it's not required in your ETL testing. Nothing. No 1% also not required. So this is what we have the syllabus for the things. Moreover, if you'll say that how can I provide you 100% job guaranteed? the course material what I have prepared, no, it's the best in the market. Okay, people are seeing the content and they are coming here. So that's what, if you'll prepare 100% syllabus, not 90%, not 99%, 100% of what I have provided, your job is guaranteed. You will get 100% job. So you have to give your 100% effort, learn the things, clear your doubt. Clear your doubt and get the job as soon as possible. Whatever the help you need to get you a job, let me know. We'll help you in all the aspects. Okay. Okay, all the aspects will help you. So we'll make sure that you will get job. People are getting 3 offer letter, 4 offer letter, 5 offer letter. So that much of level of preparation I used to make sure that people used to do it. Class recording and daily notes will be provided in the shared drive. Okay, initially 4 classes. Okay, so these are the the moment I'll be completing this, I'll be uploading the all the sessions into the drive, and I'll be providing you the access through the your Google Drive. I'll be taking your mail ID, and I'll be providing you the access for all. So this is what funda I'm using here. Mock interviews. Once you'll prepare SQL, consider you have taken a fast track course and you have prepared the SQL. You'll tell that, sir, I prepared SQL. Take my mock. I'll take the mock, and I'll tell you whatever the area you need to work more. So those area, if you have prepared good, will provide you access for the remaining topics. And once you'll complete those topics, we'll go for the another mock, and then we'll resume preparation and job finding. So classes will be Friday, Saturday, Sunday morning 8 to 9:30. Okay, 8 to 9:30. The classes will be there. If you will require earlier, so we can start from 7:30 also. But we'll see that I cannot commit now, because we have lots of people who are getting like 8 to 9:30. Sorry. Okay, 8 to 9:30 classes will be there, morning classes. I'm planning to shift this one 8 to 7:30. Okay, 8 to 7:30. After 2-3 classes, after 1 week or 2 weeks of time, we'll shift to 7:30. But initially, people will be able to. If you will miss any of the classes, we have the recording. You will go through the recording for the same classes. So, okay, guys. So whoever is having gap, you can go with the course content and
Jayant, sorry for the interruption.
sorry, no problem.
Only 3 days of class in a week.
Yeah, 3 days, and 1 day I'll take in a weekdays for half an hour. A small topic will cover in that, like your ALM part, agile technology, manual testing. These are the things I'll cover in a 1 day. In a weekdays, maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, we'll connect for half an hour, 45 minutes morning time, and we'll complete those manual small topics. So as of now, you can say that 3 classes only, 1.5 hour. That is more than sufficient to complete our full syllabus. We don't
Okay.
need developer level of knowledge, that we need 70 hours of sessions, or like whatever 2 months, like continuously 2 hours we are working on that. We need ETL testing related things are easy to learn, easy to crack interview. Okay, so you will be able to survive in a company also, the way I have prepared based on my 11 years of experience. Okay, so it's more than
Jayant,
sufficient. Yeah,
just a quick question.
yeah.
I know that you mentioned that we will be taking 3 classes,
Yeah.
and what will be the total duration in
45
terms
days,
of for how many?
6 weeks.
All right, thank you.
So total 22 sessions will be there, 21 or 22 sessions will be there. So that's what I told, like weekdays, 1 classes will arrange in a 3-4 weeks.
Right,
It will be covered in that small topics.
right. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Now you can ask your question. Gap part we have the team who will support you with this one. So like they will provide you. Let me stop the recording. Yeah, now you can ask your question. We have another 10-15 minutes. You can ask your question. Okay.
Hi, Jay. Can you, yeah, hi, Omkar this side.
Yeah. Tell me.
Okay. So can you stop recording? I have a question regarding documents.
It will be there for the long period of time. So consider that after 1 year, if you want again the recording, you drop me a message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you
Okay.
again access for that.
Okay. Now you can share all your notes through the drive, right?
Yeah, definitely. Oh,
Yeah.
completely
Okay.
100%.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Actually, I not get it. Sir, ETL developer is doing in cloud. ETL tester is not doing cloud, sir.
The dependency is not much because each and every project is not moved in cloud. Now only 5% of project only they moved in cloud, because
Okay.
other company they will be planning it, but manually only they are hiring. If it's a cloud also, no, what they are doing, they are hiring the ETL tester normal only, Informatica people only, and they are providing the training on the cloud. They will be investing 15-20,000 on your training for your certification, and they will be, they will provide you all the training once you will join the organization, and same project you have to work. So like that also they have, I'm hearing that they will hire first normal people only, okay, and then they will provide you the training and they will assign you to the course also. So you no need to worry, they will take care of your cloud. It's still like cloud is not mandatory for ETL testing. If it will be there,
Okay.
I'll include in the syllabus. No worries.
Okay.
Hi, Jayant.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Gautam.
Mm-hmm.
You have mentioned two projects explanation document, right?
Mm-hmm.
It will be the theoretical explanation or any hands-on session will be on that
Hands-on
session?
sessions only. If you'll see the all the SQLs or whatever the sessions I'll explain, it will be all hands-on experience only. I'll explain you the concept. We'll show you in a drive. You will be practicing in your database. Okay, all these things. It will be like this. It will be 100% practical. You can say, not theoretical. Data warehouse concept will be theoretical. That I agree.
Okay, thank you.
Data warehouse, manual, agile, ALM will be theoretically, but other like whatever, wherever the query required, that will be your practical.
Okay, thank you.
See the tables, employee tables. So like this way only I'll explain you full things. So what are the values we have for the employees? We have 107 records where. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, guys. So any other questions? We have 1 more minute. If not, if you have any, let me know. Otherwise, we'll close the session. Okay. So guys, let's connect on Friday and get motivated from two students from multiple offers who got multiple offers. Start your preparation, get your job faster. No need, I'll take care of everything. No need to worry. Okay. We'll motivate you time by time. Just give me your best for 1 month. Give me your best for 1 month. I'll give you offer letter in your hand. Okay. So let's end with this more let's end the classes and see you on Friday, and the regular class will start from Saturday. Okay. And from here you can consider 6 weeks time. Okay. Okay guys, so if you have any question, just drop me or call me on a mobile. We'll help you in that. Okay. Bye everyone. Take
Thank you,
care.
sir.
Okay, thank you, Jay.
Yeah, thank you, Anusa. Bye.